Hey everybody, good morning. This is Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review recommendation, and I'm going to try this out, see how it is. It's the drill brush, little brush scrubbers from Drill Brush. So they sent me this product to do a review on it. I had told them that I said, listen, this looks like a product that I can use on my truck and my boat, especially on the wheels on my truck I'm interested in. And on my boat. Sometimes when I'm cleaning my boat up around the center console, there's so many little gadgets and grooves and stuff that sometimes I use the big brush I'm scrubbing the boat with, but it's just so clumsy, and I was like, man, I got to try this out. So what we're going to do here, let's open this up and see what's in there. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay. So it comes with some different scrubbers, different bristle sizes. See what it says there. Just it talks about maximum RPM. You know, this kind of stuff, when I do this, I just kind of think of common sense stuff, you know, just use your head. But now on the side here, it's got different colors and all that kind of stuff. And I don't see blue anywhere, but I'm just assuming just pick whichever one of brush you use. They all feeling them. I don't think they're going to hurt my truck. So let me pause the camera. Let's move the camera out to the truck and let's see how this thing works. Okay, so we're out here by my truck. The wheel's kind of dirty. It's probably hard to see. I mean, it's been dry the past several weeks. Normally here in Florida, we get a lot of rain. The vehicles stay clean, but there's a lot of dirt on that thing. I don't know if you can see it, but so let's try this. So I got the scrubber hooked up. That's the one I'm going to choose to use. So let me just wet this wheel down here. Then I'm just going to use some common sense here and wet my brush down. I guess the only thing you want to worry about is just don't soak your drill. And if you're using an electric drill plugged in, my God, please be careful with that. So I'm just going to put some car wash stuff on here. Just squirt it on normally. And like I said, I'm really looking forward to doing this on the boat. I'll be doing another review with it on the boat. But as you can probably see, if it works on the wheel, it's going to work just as good on the boat. So put that bad boy. That's working pretty good. Oh man, that's going to work great on the boat, I can tell you right now. Oh, that gets it up in there. Let's rinse that off a little bit. Give that a little bit more. Oh my goodness. A little bit of spray on you, but that's all right. It's part of the game of washing. It's like the saying, if you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. If you're washing a boat or car, you're gonna get wet. All right, let's see how that looks there. Oh my goodness, that came out very good. Now I guess what you do is just rinse this off. I don't know if you can see that, just rinse that off like that. There we go. Right there. One more quick rinse. I'm going to put the camera down there so we can see what this looks like here. All right, let's get down there and look at that wheel. Holy cow, man, that worked pretty darn good for a quick demo like I just did. So I can tell you right now that using this on my boat is going to be great, and I'll probably wind up doing another demo with it on the boat, because like I said, on my center console there's a lot of little switches and stuff. It's just so hard to get around. I could just tell by using that brush right there on the tire that it's going to be perfect for that. So there you have it. Little scrubbers. I highly suggest you get you some. You're going to probably like it just as much as I did. Thank you for watching.